Yep. I like selling stuff.
See that, guys? Yeah. Don't go anywhere else. Don't go to the tree line.
And then leave the
woods.
Put some batteries on. Hey, you get double A's at like the gas station across from our freaking hotel. Yeah? They're gonna be a lot of good tomorrow when we're playing during the day. Either way.
Hey, did you bring double A's, Alex?
Not out here.
Well, yeah.
Well, how would you have to do it? Open up the box.
We got double A's back at camp if you want them.
Yeah, fine. You're looking through this.
I don't know how.
Oh, 9 jumpers are jumping, gentlemen.
9 against 9. 9 plus, remember their team Deuce in it. Oh, yeah. So we got there. From like somewhere around here.
Yeah. POW camp, you got a copy? POW camp, copy, over. Okay, between us and you, there was movement in the woods with a flashlight. Be advised, they're probably heading either towards us or you. But they're in between us, so keep your eyes open. We got contact. Contact, where at? We heard yelling in the woods, but not yet. Hey, we got a couple guys coming up, dead. Look, what's your 20? Does they run out of time? Unless you're reporting where the enemy's at, stay off the comm. And you hear me talking on it.
To the east side, which would be that way. Everybody's familiar with that hill over there? On that side? Alright, you got a fence on that side. Then continually head south, and then head southwest a little bit, and then head south again, out past the junkyard. There's a break in there. There'll be chem lights that look like this, laying on the ground. If a chem light's laying on the ground, there's a boundary. Don't cross it. Everybody understand?
Yes.
That boundary spawn point, which will be the flag pole that is on the east side of the junkyard up there, there will be one of these on that flagpole. Everybody understand that?
Yeah.
I'm so glad.
Yeah, I told you the rebels were here. I can't tell who's here.
Well, no, yeah, he looks like G. What? He looks like G. Yeah. But he's not nearly as mangy and he doesn't have a cracked in head.
Yeah.
Exactly. It's just.
Yeah, wiggle. Oh, wait up a minute. Let the sheep under there. Yeah, where are the shepherds? It sounds like miles to that. I don't have It's so realistic.
Okay, let's go.
Listen to all that fire. Watch your footing. Hey, watch. They put tires here. Why?
So you know there's a chain there.
All right, Brenton, we're gonna go stealth on this one. Yeah, we are.
A lot of guys on that main hill.
All right, here, hold this again real quick. Hold this again real quick. Hang on.
Yeah, okay, well,
Because I'm gonna buckle up my helmet. When we, you need to get a single point sling, dude.
You're not playing? Yeah, I'm playing.
All right.
everyone's going right. We need to take a left side. There's nobody down there.
Oh, there's
Right down this hill.